In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to practice Demo Company on Xero. We'll walk through a safe, hands-on way to learn Xero using its Demo Company, so you can explore features without affecting your real data. Start on your Xero dashboard. At the top of the page, open your organization menu by selecting your company name. This is where you can switch between organizations linked to your account. From that menu, choose Demo Company. Xero provides a fully populated sample organization with invoices, bills, bank accounts, and reports, so you can practice common workflows. It's a sandbox environment, meaning anything you do here won't impact your live books. Keep in mind that demo data may refresh periodically, so it's perfect for experimentation. Once you're in the demo, begin by exploring sales. This tab brings together invoices, quotes, credit notes, and customer payments. It's a great place to see how sales flow through the system, how statuses change from draft to approved to paid, and how customer activity affects outstanding balances. Notice how aging and due dates are presented. These are the same views you'll rely on to manage cash flow. Next, move to purchases. Here, you'll find bills, purchase orders, and expenses. Use this area to understand how supplier invoices are captured, approved, and paid. You'll see how bills drive accounts payable and how timing and due dates influence what you owe and when. Head over to reporting. This is where you can view financial statements like the profit and loss and balance sheet, as well as management reports and summaries. The demo data makes it easy to see how transactions roll up into your financials, how date ranges change results, and how filters help you drill into detail. Continue to the accounting tab. This is home to your chart of accounts, bank reconciliation, and manual journals. It's the control center for how transactions are categorized and matched, and it's ideal for practicing reconciliation and understanding how postings flow through ledgers. Open the tax area to see how sales tax or VAT is tracked and summarized. The demo shows how returns are compiled from your transactions and how periods are organized, which helps you prepare for real submissions later. Check out contacts to review customers and suppliers in one place. You can see how profiles store addresses, account numbers, and activity history supporting accurate invoicing and vendor management. Finally, look at projects to understand basic job costing. You'll see how time, expenses, and invoices connect to project profitability, giving you insight into tracking work from quote to completion. That's it. Use the demo company to explore confidently, learn the workflow, and build muscle memory before working in your live organization.